Eventually we got to the point where we developed a vaccine platform, and that's what we started to patent and work on, and that's what we also started to work on commercializing. In the end, I got to the point where I realized that what chlamydia does when they are causing all these diseases that you don't see really, just asymptomatic infections in animals that reduce performance, is something that all asymptomatic infections do, not just chlamydia. And there are many other bacteria and viruses that can do that. And it all affects the body basically by increasing some of the inflammatory status or the level of the body. But in animals, in production animals that are young and at full performance, these inflammatory mediators affect the liver. And in the liver, the animals produce a hormone that drives protein production in cells, in all body cells. And that means that is the hormone that drives growth in young animals, meat production essentially. It also drives milk production in adult cows that are lactating. And it drives, for instance, egg laying in chickens and wool growth in wool sheep, for instance. What we found though is that the vaccine platform that we developed, and that was based on particles that we produce, standard technology methodology basically, and these are biodegradable particles. These were used to deliver the vaccine antigens to the cells that initiate the immune response, to the antigen presenting cells. Turns out that these particles by themselves modify the action of the cells so that they cause less inflammatory responses. And by doing that, just using the particles without vaccine, we can reduce the inflammatory response in animals all the way.